We all know the importance of a night skincare routine, but let's be real. Not everyone has 30 minutes or even 15 minutes to dedicate to it. So what if I told you that you can actually achieve healthier, glowing skin with just 5 minutes before bed? Yep, that's right. 5 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick, effective, and simple night skincare routine that fits perfectly into your busy schedule without skipping any important steps. You don't need to invest in 10 different products, just the essentials that get the job done fast and give you visible results. First, let's talk about the key steps. The most important part of any night routine is cleansing. You want to remove all the dirt, oil, and makeup and prepare your skin to absorb all the goodness that comes next. I'll show you a gentle yet powerful face wash that cleans without drying. Next, we're moving to toning. Many people skip this step, but a toner helps balance your skin's pH and preps it for the next products. I'll recommend a toner that works great for all skin types and takes literally 30 seconds to apply. Then comes the best part, treatment. Whether you're targeting acne, dullness, or fine lines, you don't need 10 different serums. I'll show you how to pick one multitasking serum that will work on your specific concerns while you sleep. Finally, don't forget hydration. The last step is a good moisturizer to lock in all the moisture and nutrients. Even in just 30 seconds, you can use a product that leaves your skin soft, plump, and ready to wake up glowing. So, in just 5 minutes, you'll be giving your skin exactly what it needs, without any long, complicated routines or expensive products. If you're ready to get the most out of your nightly routine without spending hours, stick with me until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple, effective skincare tips that actually fit into your busy lifestyle. Let's make skincare easy and effective, even when life is crazy.